I am. She's recording me.
Fine, I'm recording. I'm recording.
Well,
you.
I am at the Air India counter of a business class seat, where I have come at the counter, and I have been told by the staff of Air India that my confirmed seat is unserviceable. It does not recline. I have to give a consent, which is kind of forced consent, because I have no other choice than to fly, because I have connecting flights, and I have to give this consent and sit and go on a completely paid up seat. And Air India is saying either we will give you complete refund, you choose another option, or you have to fly this seat, which is broken seat, which is not reclining, and you have to give the consent. So it's like a forced consent. And they say that this is common feature on Air India nowadays. I am willing to do this now only because I have to be there tomorrow in Korea for an event. I have booked my onward flights, and if I have to miss this flight, I have to miss my forward journeys and onward journeys. So I will continue with the rest of the videos on flight. In the meantime, I will sign this consent form, because I am not left with no choice, because my any other flight which I take is going to cost me 4 times and not at the refund cost which Air India is going to give me. This will be a clear-cut violation of DGCA guidelines. Air India is cheating people, particularly those who are paying right now, the customers who are paying customers. What is can you tell me what is your experience with Air India?
Okay, well, I was traveling from Vancouver to Delhi. We reached airport, and they said the seats are not functional. That's a business class seat. So one of the seat wasn't functional. My wife was fine, my kid was fine, and they didn't tell me. They offered me a seat in a different flight, going all the way to Montreal and then flying from there. My reason to book my Air India flight is because it's a direct flight, right? Saves me time, saves me everything, right? So then a lady came in the plane when I was sitting in the plane. So 14-hour flight, no reclining, nothing, right? I was just sitting on my seat, and they said I'm going to get compensated for it, right? So I had to call Air India, fill up the forms, and I'm still waiting for my money, which they promised me. It's been what, 25 days now? So
But does the compensation actually make up for what ordeal you've gone through?
Well, obviously not, but something is better than nothing, right? So, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.